Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Wheaton, owner of Wheaton Equipment Rental here in Waxhaw, North Carolina. Today I want to go over the Vermeer BC1000XL 12-inch wood chipper. Overall it's pretty easy to operate, but for some people that are new, never operated one before, there's an instructional video, and for those that have operated them before, each one's a little different. So it's just a quick basic overview. Let me flip this view around so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Alright. Vermeer BC1000XL 12-inch wood chipper. This model is a diesel engine, so if you rent ours, make sure you put diesel in it and not gasoline. Here you've got the chute up top. This rotates so you can point and blow your wood chips anywhere they need to go. Back here you have the receiving end, and this opens quite easily. A little latch, drop it down. You've got this black safety curtain, kind of reminds you to keep your hands from going any further than that, because that bad boy right there will suck you into it. Best thing to do is when you load these, load the branches in from the side here, and do not, for any reason or circumstance, put your feet or legs up on top of this. It's not smart, it's not safe, and you'll probably lose a foot or your entire leg. Here we have the control module. What you're going to do is you're going to start this. First turn the key on. Before I start it, so you can hear what I'm saying, what you'll do is when you start this, it starts on idle. Let it warm up. I'd let it warm up for a solid minute or two. Over here, this is what engages the clutch. So you're going to start the engine, then you're going to come over here and slowly engage the clutch, and as you pull it, you're going to hear the belts engaging. And then once that's up and running, you'll come back over here to the screen display. You'll tap this rabbit button once, and then it's fired up and you're ready to go. Safety bars back here, anytime they're touched, this one or in the bottom, that auto feed roller will stop and it'll stop pulling branches in. Anytime that happens, there's a green reset button on both sides. You press this once, it resets it and continues to pull it in. Once you get the engine going, you're going to pull this red bar back once. And again, anytime you hit that red bar, you have to hit the green button to reset it, and it'll start pulling in. If you get something stuck, you want to reverse it. Take the red bar, push it backwards and hold it, and that'll reverse anything that might be stuck in there and pull it out. And then once you're ready to chip again, pull it back towards you. Again, hit the green safety button, reset button, and you're ready to go. That is pretty much it. The only other button on this screen you'll ever touch is the idle down for when you're ready to shut off, or this is a reduced sensitivity button. If you find that as branches growing in, they're tapping this and continuing to stop the auto feed roller, come over here and see where it says normal sensitivity. You'll touch this button once, changes it to reduced sensitivity. That bar will still engage and stop the auto feed roller if you bump it, but it won't be bumped or won't keep stopping if branches keep hitting it. And then once you are done chipping and you're ready to turn this thing off, first what you're going to do before you disengage the clutch, you're going to hit the turtle button or the idle button. Hit that once, it'll idle down, and then after it idles down, you'll come over here and slowly disengage the clutch. And then once the clutch is disengaged and it's on idle, everything is rolled down, then you'll turn it off. Alright, so I'll do this live. It's going to get pretty loud, so you probably won't hear me talking, but I'll demonstrate it real quick. Alright, so we're fired up and ready to go. It's on idle. And while it's on idle, you're going to engage the clutch. Now it's engaged. You're going to come over, hit the rabbit button. again on that before you shut it off. You're going to put it on idle, then disengage the clutch, and then turn it off. Again, if you rent our machine, you're always welcome to call or text with any questions or assistance with it. The main thing is, do not ever put rocks, dirt, roots, or stumps through this chipper. We inspect the knives each and every time it's rented, and it's very easy to tell if somebody put roots or dirt or stumps or rocks went through it. They are expensive and not extremely easy to change, so there will be an extra charge for that. Thanks for watching today.